morning, children. Welcome to our English class. Our first unit in class 8, our first unit is about family. About family. Let us have a discussion about the cover page of first unit. As we have in class 6 and 7, every unit has a cover page. We can discuss about the cover page. Look at these pictures and answer the questions that follow. I'm showing the questions. My dear children, look at the questions. What do you observe in the picture? What do you observe in the picture? See, what do you observe? Of course, there is some observation. Yeah, here is a big family, this small family. Okay, we will call it as joint family and say nuclear family. Nuclear in the sense mother, father, mother, and your sister, or else you and your brother. Okay, and here grandmother, uncle, aunt, and everybody will be there. Okay, this is the difference. What type of families do we find in our present society and why? Is it a nuclear or else joint families? And why also is asking. Which family do you like and why? Maybe you like this family or else this family, nuclear family or giant family, whatever it may be. That is your own decision. But why? Reason. This must be. We should have a debate. We should have a debate. Small families or happy families. How many? If we are in the classroom, we can say that I can go for a debate with who likes small families and who likes joint families. Okay, like that we would have someone says joint families are best, we will have that this and everything. Someone will say joint families are the best, sir, because we have a lot of relationships, we have a lot of big family, it will be many members will be there, you can share the things, like that they will say. Yes or no, my dear children? Of course it is. Of course it is, because everybody have individual wish they might have. But what present society is doing, having small families, I mean nuclear families or giant families. Okay, this is we are going to discuss in our lesson. Let us have the family lesson. Let's enter into our reading A. Let us continue our reading A. The tattered blanket. The tattered blanket. Title. See, tattered in the sense torn. Tattered in the sense torn. A torn blanket. What does it mean? Based on the title, we will understand something, right? It might be about blanket or else something tattered. Something was tattered, like a blanket or else some other thing. Okay, let's start. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was laying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. See, how the story started very fast. When he arrived, one person is arriving, okay, in his office car at the in a countryside. That means village. In village. In class 7, you have learned, right? Yes. Town mouse and the country mouse. Yes, countryside, village side. His mother, whose mother, the person, one person is coming. She is laying in an armchair on the veranda. She made a futile. Futile means unsuccessful. Futile means unsuccessful. Please note it down. We need it. We need these all words in the future purpose of a textual grammar. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Somebody in a car. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. She is saying, she is in the sense mother. Mother is laying in the armchair, right? So, somebody in a car. Kamala, her eldest daughter. Please underline this one. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow who was sitting huddled up on the tina on the veranda, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate, and screwing up her eyes, peered into the darkness. Why this total you must underline? See, Kamala, come. Her eldest daughter, comma, a widow, comma, who was sitting huddled up on the thin veranda, comma, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, comma, got up reluctant, comma. Why this, comma, comma, comma? With this, we have some grammar topic. Grammar topic is there. Here he is giving a clear explanation. He is giving extra information. Are you getting my point, my dear children? Kamala, who is Kamala? Kamala, she is her eldest daughter. Like that, he can write, but instead of that, he is make it short form and he's writing Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow. A widow in the sense her husband passed away. Who was sitting huddled up in the sense sitting very close, closing her legs and arms together. Legs and arms together is called huddled up. On the on the veranda, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly walked slowly to the gate. Are you getting my point, my dear children? Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate, and screwing up her eyes, peered into the darkness. She is trying to see. She is trying to see. Reluctantly, she is not willing to do. Reluctantly, in the sense, not willing to do any work. If you are saying your mother is saying to go and bring some milk packet or something, you go to shop reluctantly. Yes or no? Yeah. If your mother offers something, go and bring some milk packet, the rest of amount you can keep it with you, then immediately you will go, you won't go reluctantly. Yes or no? To the gate and screwing up her eyes, she is making her eyes small. She is making her eyes making eyes small is called a reluctant, screwing up. And she is looking into the, see, look at the picture. Somebody is coming from the, then she sat on the tinna. This is called tinna. This is called tinna. And she is mother, and she covered her ears with a thin bath towel. Understand, my dear children? This is, let's continue our story. Let's continue our class. Okay, let's continue. She saw a bald, fat, middle aged man. She saw a bald, fat, middle aged man. She is giving explanation about one person, a man who is a middle aged and fat. One, two, three. Three qualities were given. Underline this. She saw a bald, fat, middle aged man walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. In her gratitude. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Kamala. Who is it? Her mother is asking loudly from the veranda. Who said, oh Gopi? She said, she in the sense, Kamala is saying, why this sudden unexpected? So, Kamala recognized Gopi. So, the person is nothing, none other than Gopi. His sister's name is what? Kamala. So, Kamala and Gopi are brother and sister, and mother is here. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. The man said, Gopi. Person is saying, Gopi. There was a meeting in Tiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. So he came to Tiruvananthapuram for a meeting. He did not come for. He did not come. He did not come to visit his mother. Who, Kamala? Who is it? There was a note of alarm. Note of alarm in the sense in Amma's voice. Somewhat she is getting fearful. Somewhat fearful. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala speaking here. Gopi's eldest daughter, eldest sister asked her in a awkwardly, uncomfortably, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. You will say right sometime awkwardly. Or what is this going on? Every time you are saying to me like this, like that we will irritate. In the same way, Kamala got somewhat little bit irritation, as if this word, as if is the meaning of as if is like that. As if you are saying Gopi for the first time. Amma, it's me, Gopi saying. He said again, first time he said here, the man saying to whom? One time. And here again he said, Amma, it's me, I am Gopi, second time. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. Third time he's saying, Gopi, Kamala is saying, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Gopi is speaking to Kamala. Are really his school closed for a vacation? Now she's saying. Now she is. Who is saying? Kamala is speaking. With whom? Gopi. Don't get confusion, my dear children. Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained. But sometimes, are here see, he came and he close to her wrinkled cheeks and he said, Amma, it's me. Even though she's saying, Gopi, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Like that, she's listening, but she couldn't recognize. So, Kamala is explaining. I Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody. Kopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. If you have sent any letter, I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't returned for a year? Poor thing, I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. You did not write even since last 1 year, even though I used to tell her everything is fine with you and Vimala and kids. Vimala is nothing but Gopi's wife. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. Always on my toes. In the same, in that means busy. Always on his toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Such a answer he's giving to his sister to write a letter to a mother. He got promotion, it seems. So he's always busy, so he couldn't get time. Why don't you ask Vimala to write, or doesn't she get any time too? Wow, she gave a sharp question. Why didn't you tell to Vimala at least to write a letter? Even she's busy. What are you mumbling over there? Mama, Amma said loudly. Are they really mumbling over there? But mumbling in the sense speaking low voice. Speaking low voice, or else muttering also we will say. Muttering. Muttering also speaking in a low voice. What are mumbling over there? That they're not mumbling, they're speaking. She's loud, she's speaking louder. Vimala is not getting time. Like that, she's giving reverse answer, reverse question on to Gopi. I heard somebody. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Oh my god. Still mother did not recognize. I told you it's Gopi. Kamala said. I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Mother is saying. Oh my god. Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi only. Gopi is speaking. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said suddenly. Who did Gopi marry? Gopi's wife name she's asking, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? I mean, Amma is asking, what's his wife's name? Don't say, you have forgotten her name too, Kamala is saying. Don't you remember Vimala, district collector Nambide's eldest daughter? Gopi's sister saying. Gopi's sister Kamala is saying, have you forgotten her name too? Vimala, our district collector Nambide's eldest daughter? Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes every day. See. Ah, there was a letter. He writes every day for you. She is saying in a criticizing way. There was. He writes every day. Of course, he is writing daily. Okay, I hope, my dear children, till now you understand this one. In our next session, we will continue our lesson. I hope you understood what I have taught you till now. Okay, let's meet in our next session.